my gosh, I read your sweet little cameo note, and oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, I'm sending you the biggest virtual hug ever, and I really hope that I can meet you and sign your Blu-ray that you were talking about. That is so adorable. I'm not sure where you are from, but if you do let me know, I'm doing a bunch of horror conventions for Megan's where I'm doing a bunch of signings and things. I'm doing them in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're also going to be in Arizona, as well as Grand Rapids, Michigan, Ontario, California. I'm doing a bunch of them, and we're also starting tour later this year. So that would be the perfect opportunity for me to meet you. So let me know where you're from, and let's see if we can maybe make that happen. I would love to give you a actual in-person hug. And that is so sweet that you love Megan. Thank you so, so, so much. I cannot wait for you to hear what you think of the second one. You gotta keep me posted. We're like so close, less than a month away, which is so exciting. And you're just the sweetest ever, and I thank you so much for all your love and support. And I'm sending you the biggest virtual hug. And I really hope we can meet each other very, very soon. Mwah! Talk soon. Bye.